A very interesting fact. We are now using shower gels more than our regular soaps. Yes, a recent survey said that 60% of Indians are using shower gels instead of the traditional soaps. So imagine all the advertisements going for Lux and all these soaps are going in hell. No. These companies have come up with shower gels, and if you don't know what a shower gel is kind of a jelly kind of a thing, which is a product which sometimes is kind of useful for your body wash. It comes as kind of 3-in-1 combinations of hair, face and body wash. But the thing is that now it's the time and the era in which shower gels dominate. Hi, I'm Sureshakar Ganguly and this is my video which is regarding a very awesome shower gel that I found out over the internet, and yes, it's 100% natural. Before I show you the amazing product that I have been planning to for the last few days, let us see why we should use shower gel. Number 1. A shower gel, if used in small quantity, can also produce large volume of foam that anyways can be generated by a soap, but you have to use that in large quantities. But if you use shower gel, a small quantity can help. So long lasting. Number 2, it's very hygienic because it's there inside a bottle. You squeeze it out, take it in your hand and then use it. But a bathing soap, you have to keep it open. That hygiene factor is not there if you have many members in the family and using the same soap. Number 3, variety of smells, flavors and kind of combinations. For example, I have used shower gels which has rose flavor, lavender flavor, mint flavor, there is tulsi flavor, and all these are kind of within your reach in the market. But for the soap, it's kind of very limited. You just have citrus, you have this natural thing and mint maximum. So you want to calculate your choices when you want to buy anything which you have to apply for your body. So shower gel wins in that particular category. Number 4, a shower gel can be used not only for the body but also for the hair and also for the face. Yes, some shower gel comes with a combination of hair, face and body. So buying one thing could help you get the advantages of 3 products. So cost savings. So guys, this is the product that I was talking about. It's a body wash from Seer Secrets. And first of all, I like their packing, a lot. It comes with a box and kind of very hardy box. Even if you keep it and it falls from your hand, the product won't get damaged. I have used their other products as well. I have recently used their Amla hair oil, awesome product, and the packing is always great by Seer Secrets. So 1 point for the pack. Now coming to the body wash, it's kind of a very simple looking product, but what's inside that is kind of will blow your mind. Yes, because I expected this shower gel to be kind of a misty thing, cool effects and other things, just that chill feeling for 5-6 minutes after your shower, that's it. But no, this is something extraordinary because it not only refreshes your body but also keeps that long lasting odor, that kind of a smell that attracts people. Let's see what's inside this anyways, and here you go, the actual product. And I really liked the sleek and cylindrical body of the product, which you can keep it easily in racks and other places. So yeah, this is really good. And they have written how to use it, what are the ingredients, and believe me, it's 100% natural. And I have been using this for the past few weeks now, and there is no allergic reaction that I had. There is no uneasiness that I felt. I really enjoyed using this, and I have been using other shower gels for a long time now, but I have taken a break from that chemical products. I've switched to 100% natural and kind of herbal products. So This is my long-time partner from now, and there is one more thing, so I'll show you after this. So with this body wash, if you buy it now, CS Secrets will send you a sample of their face spray. Yes, this is another thing that is kind of, looks small, but the use of this is very helpful. This spray is actually a face mist spray, and it refreshes your face. So sometimes you have to attend emergency meeting, or you have to meet somebody but on a very short notice, and you don't have time to again wash, face wash, all this steps. So just want to look refreshing for something, use this spray. You can buy the original thing from the site of CS Secrets in Amazon.in, but for a sample, this is awesome, and I've used this, and every time I get a chance, I use this because I really enjoy the smell. It's awesome. It's a rose flavor, and it's one of my favorites. So I would this is the new thing, right? You have to be prepared in a very short notice. So this will definitely come in handy. I know, guys, it's a lot of confusion buying new products nowadays. Since we have so many varieties available offline, online, what would you choose? I can only recommend you the good products that I have experienced from my personal, usage, and I try to be as affordable and as kind of reachable as possible, irrespective of the products. CS Secrets is one of the brand that I have recently come across, but in kind of a small time, it has left a good impression on me, because I like. First of all, it's 100% natural, so I have no fear of getting affected or skin ailments by using this. Second, they promise and they deliver. So I really like this thing, but when you buy a product, you have to make sure it goes with your skin type. Is the combination is there in the product that you require? So all these things are always needed to you need to check before you buy anything. Thank you so much. Keep watching my videos. There are more on my YouTube channel. Thank you always for your support. Stay happy, stay safe. Bye bye.